Welcome to our next tutorial. In this tutorial we will speak a little bit about the wrap surface. This is a nice tool when we want to create a free form on a cylindrical object. Although we can go with the free form, I can start dragging and wrapping around and build the faces. This wrap surface actually can help us a little bit about this and save us time. It's disabled by default because it works only on the selected parts of the mesh, so we need to do the mesh selection. In this case I need to select everything, including front facing and back facing, so I'll turn this option on and I'll just paint this on the screen. So I can roughly get my cylindrical surface, which looks like this one. When I'm ready I just press OK. In this case now we can choose the wrap surface, and the way it works, it just fits a cylinder around the selection, generate a grid of rectangles and project them on the mesh. So you can choose from different resolution. One is the low, as you see, only a couple of rectangles are created, or you can choose medium and it gets better and maps all the points on the mesh, or you can just choose fine. There are not too many options here, and as you see in this case it just projects them on a different position where we don't want to, but I can put it to medium, get roughly what I want, and when I'm ready I press done. Now I have my initial surface created. I can go to the quad surface, right click here and press edit. Then I can just take the points, I can play with the offset so I can see better where they are, or I can just double click and delete them, and I can turn this on and I can extend this using the Alt key, drop it, and then I can build this surface much faster. And this tool is actually helping you to start your process by saving time. And this is again just a normal quad surface, which you can see the deviation. As I see it's too much, but this is quite big, so I can probably work with 0.1 expectations. I can get to increase resolution, and then I can get closer to the surface, press spacebar to see my results. And from here on I can continue dragging. I'll show the duplication handle, and I can start dragging and creating my new points to reconstruct my surface. Thank you for watching.